Every interaction between an AI application and an MCP server follows a structured lifecycle, ensuring reliable communication and tool execution. The MCP protocol organizes every session into 4 simple stages: Initialize, Discover, Operate, and Shutdown. First, the client introduces itself by sending its protocol version and supported capabilities to establish compatibility. First, the server validates the request and creates a secure communication session for future interactions. Next, the client asks the server what capabilities are available, before deciding which ones are needed.
The server responds with available tools, reusable prompts, and resources that the language model can access.
Now the language model decides which tool best solves the user's request and prepares the appropriate function call. The client executes the selected tool, receives structured results, and returns them to the language model. The language model integrates external data with its reasoning to produce an accurate and context-aware response.
Once all requests are complete, the client closes the transport and ends the MCP session cleanly. Every MCP in-array interaction follows this predictable lifecycle, making AI applications reliable, secure, and easy to extend.
Understanding the MCP connection lifecycle helps you build scalable AI agents that communicate consistently with tools, resources, and external systems.